Do you live in a big city? Are you looking to add some big city flair to your home? Boy, do I have the fireplace for you. Stick around and find out. Today we're going to be talking about the Regency City series. This one that we're looking at is going to be the San Francisco Bay in a 41-inch design. This one is a true zero clearance fireplace, directed toward the more contemporary modern for beautiful penthouse suites in the city, Miami, New York, Boston, wherever you can think of. These fireplaces are located in those homes, condos, whatever you think. With the double glass and no screen, it adds a better look into the fireplace. Being able to see crystal clear right into the media kit, whatever you end up picking, whether it's log sets, black crystals, whatever design that you want to go with, this can fit your liking. On the San Francisco Bay one, it's even better because both sides are open. It is a bay-like feature. So you set up couches on either side, you can look in and still see the flame from whatever direction you're looking at. They even have different ones where they are peninsula styled, coming out into the room, and those we see a lot of in those contemporary modern style penthouse suites. And don't you guys worry, whatever application that you're thinking of putting this fireplace, whether it's outside wall, center of the room, even a great span up to 72 feet of pipe, this can do it. You just throw a power vent on and be able to pull that air right out. These do have a cool wall system as well. So even that exterior wall does not get warmed up. This is not gonna be for a heating purpose. This is specific for ambiance to add a little bit of that flair. If you guys liked the video and liked the fireplace and stuck around to the end, here's another coupon code for you. Have your contractor give us a call and give us the coupon code CityLiving and get contractor pricing. Thank you, see you next time.